What's good, y'all? So your boy just got nominated for Content Creator of the Year at the Connecticut Barber Expo, which is the biggest expo in the United States. First off, I just want to say that I'm humbled for this opportunity to be a nominee. There's 15 nominees total, and of those 15, a bunch of them are homies, and I'm just extremely grateful to be surrounded in this nominee pool by a bunch of great content creators. It's going to be extremely hard to narrow down the winner, but if you have vibe with my content, if you found it useful, if you found it funny, if you found it informational, go to ctbarberexpo.com, click the right top hand corner, create a drop down screen where you can click Barber Grammys, click the Barber Grammys tab, scroll down till you get to creative content, click vote now. A bunch of videos from different content creators will pop up. You can find mine, click vote now, where it'll create a screen where you can put your first name, last name, email address, and you can select the barber that you are nominating. So once again, I appreciate everybody's support. Good luck to all those who are nominees. And once again, I appreciate y'all. What's up, my good people of YouTube? We are here with another unboxing. Got a package from Amazon. So let's dive into this box and see what we got from, well, you guys already know off the thumbnail, but let's get to it.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
All right, y'all, got my handy dandy package cutting shears here. So let's pop this box open here. One slice there, one slice there, and we should be able to pop this thing. Too easy, too easy, too easy. But what we got here is going to be the Tpob Skull Candy Pink Shaver. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what we got in here, what kind of contents it comes with. I'm guessing that it don't really come with much. Shavers usually just come with a charging cord and your instruction manual. But other than that, it really much ain't else besides that. So I'll take the plastic off here. One thing I love about these Tpob boxes is that they're like Apple. You just you got that white box with the actual product on it. Ain't really much to it. There's a Skull Candy Tpob Skull Candy Full Shaver. It tells you what's inside right here. Content Full Shaver, gold anti-allergy foils, protection cap, and the USB charger. But the best thing about these right here, there it is. There it is. You see that slime, the candy slime? But there it is. Here is the shaver. Take that bad boy off. You got a protective cap, of course, that goes on there. And the paint on this is like a matte pink paint. We'll take this little plastic off here. That'll stop it from not being able to go up and down for the power switch. So take this protective cap off here. This is the gold hypoallergenic foil, so this helps people not to bump up or get irritated, unlike the silver foils that they have. This does have 2 speeds on it. As you can see, there's off, the first speed and the second speed. We'll go ahead and turn it on, so I'll let y'all hear that. So there's the high speed. So there are the 2 speeds, like I said, high speed and low speed. And we'll get this used in the shop and show you how it works. So I almost forgot to show y'all inside the box too. You got the underneath, we got the USB charger, which is a USB-C, which is what everybody is seeming to go towards, is that USB-C charger. You got your instruction manual, and you got a cleaning brush, of course, to clean the shaver. So that's that. Let's get to the demonstration portion. Y'all, we got the Tpob pink foil shaver. We're gonna go ahead and use our high speed. I'm gonna just go ahead and go all the way up here until we get to like maybe about that much left. And what I'm gonna do, I seen Sean Cuts Hair's video, and he was wondering what the purpose for 2 speeds. So for me personally, I do use the 2 speeds, and the way I use it is by blending this line out here once we get it completely bald. I know a lot of people don't lift up and kind of flick out, but for me, this works for me, and this is the way I've been doing it for a long time, using the Tpob shaver with the 2 speeds, or any shaver with 2 speeds, because with a slower speed, you'll be able to detail a little bit more cautiously, because with the high speed, it's just going to take out bulk really quick, and it's not going to allow you to make any mistakes. But with a lower speed, just like a lower speed on the clipper, will help you to detail better. So what we're going to do, go down to the low speed. I'm only going to use 1 single shaver. We're just going to go ahead and work at that line right there. I kind of have this tilted like this, and we're working our way through to get that line blended out. So that is how I use the low speed when I'm using the shaver, and it's worked for me the duration we couldn't hear so far. I'm not much of a go up and flick out, but you can see there, nice and bald, super bald. But that is the work from the shaver. Does very well. What's good, everybody? So you've seen how the TPOB shaver performed behind the chair. Very dope shaver. I like the matte colorway, like I said. I like the gold foils on it, the gold accents. I like the fact that it has 2 powers, and you guys seen how I use the 2 powers specifically behind the chair to fade out. Very easy to use. It's very powerful, and it balls out with ease. So just overall great tool. You can get it on Amazon for, I believe, 45 USD. That's US dollar. If you want to use the website, thepissedoffbarber.com, you can go there and use my promo code Jayblends to save yourself 15% off. But I'll also throw a link to Amazon underneath in the description box, so you can go scoop this up for yourself too. Very, very great buy. Shaver, it does what the money's worth, and I still have my black one on the station, and it's still doing work too. I've had that for a good bit as well. So just another dope colorway to add to the shaver arsenal. I am probably going to get the green one too, but overall I really enjoy the shaver and how it operates. So if you want to go pick those up, you know what to do. You got the all the links underneath. Use code Jayblends at thepissedoffbarber.com. Go follow the Pissed Off Barber at thepissedoffbarber on IG. Follow myself at Jayblends_. Appreciate everybody for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. Until next time, God bless.